In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Google Cloud project. Before we start, a quick heads up. Deleting a project removes its resources, disables services, and can interrupt anything still running. Make sure you truly no longer need it and that any data you care about is already backed up elsewhere. First, open the Google Cloud Console in your browser. Once you're on the dashboard for the project you want to remove, look to the very top left of the page and click the three horizontal lines, also called the navigation menu or hamburger menu. This opens the full list of sections available in your account. Hover your mouse over IAM and Admin to reveal more options. From that expanded list, choose Manage Resources. This takes you to the Resource Manager, where all of your projects are listed. If you work in multiple environments, take a second to verify you're looking at the correct organization or folder so you don't remove the wrong project. You can also use the search or filters to narrow down the list if it's long. In the project list, click to select the project you intend to delete. When the row is highlighted, look to the far right of that same row for the three vertical dots which indicate more actions. Click those dots to open the action menu. In the menu that appears, choose Delete. A confirmation panel will pop up asking you to verify the deletion. Google Cloud requires you to type the exact project ID to proceed, which helps prevent accidental removals. Carefully enter the ID exactly as it's shown on the screen. If you copy and paste it, double check that you haven't added extra spaces. After the ID is entered correctly, click Shutdown Anyway to confirm. The project will be scheduled for shutdown and deletion. Typically, billing stops and resources are marked for removal. There's usually a short retention window during which you may be able to restore the project if it was deleted by mistake, but you shouldn't rely on that as a safety net. Treat this as a permanent action. That's it. You navigated to the console, opened IAM and Admin, went to Manage Resources, selected the right project, used the More Actions menu, chose Delete, confirmed with the project ID, and finalized by clicking Shutdown Anyway. Follow these steps carefully each time and always double check you're working on the intended project to avoid surprises.